Alright y'all, so we're here with back with another video. Finally got all the hoses and fittings and like that on the intake manifold, and we finally got our map sensor. This is a from a Corvette ZR1. Here's the part numbers. So if you have a Silverado like mine, like if your map sensor harness connector looks like this, you're gonna need a adapter that will go from your harness to that. And I'll leave all the part numbers to this too in the description, or I could just show it to y'all. There's a part number for this harness. Got it off Summit. It was like 40 bucks, 30 bucks. See if it works. Finally the correct one. Did just order my injectors. I'm getting thick. Hopefully we'll be able to finally throw this on, and then haven't figured out the throttle body cables yet. They're not long enough to reach. The cable will reach here, but not to like the bracket or whatnot. So yeah.
One day later.
Just finally got here. Got these whatever style injector plug that is to EV1 or whatever. That's which is what I am. And that's what these are. They came with the set of injectors, and I guess if you buy the whole thing together, they give you a little discount on these. So instead of charging you like 100 and something for all 8, they charge you like 90 bucks. And here are the injectors I got from Fick. You know, they come in a nice box. They did get here late, but oh well, we got them. So here's what they look like. I'm gonna go ahead and install these right here and show you what they look like on the intake. Alright then y'all, so we finally got it in. As you can see, everything was working properly, but got some, make sure your fittings are all tight, because mine was leaking gas back then. You don't want to turn your truck on because it's going to catch on fire. But do have it. Here's a Holly. You know, we got all the spacers and the screws. Got my my feed and return line running through here. Here's the stock lines, and then here's a quick connect lines. So I'll try to put everything on all the part numbers and stuff on the description. So if you guys are doing something similar, y'all can do it as well. Just gotta put my upper and lower radiator hoses, connect my fans, and get my battery back, and, you know, finally on 4 wheels. You know what I'm saying? Ugly ass women. So usually you have an EGR valve or pump or whatever. Mine did not come with it, but you could just disconnect that and, you know, tune it. It's safe for the environment anyways. I just have to get a longer throttle body cable and believe a different type of bracket, unless I can make this one work. But here it is. We'll get a better intake too. Thing's ugly. But yeah, like, subscribe, stay tuned for the tuning sesh. The first startup coming soon. Oh yeah, the first startup coming up soon. You know what I'm saying?